is nice and quiet. There's definitely a fall feeling in the air. And so we've got former meteorologist Cody Murphy. He's having a wonderful morning, enjoying the fall temperatures and flying drone 4. How's it outside?
Hey, Laura, what's going on? It's a little chilly outside so far today, but we're here at Ashland City, right off the highway. I want to zoom out and show you what's happening on the Cumberland River so far this morning. Actually starting to see a little bit of river fog develop here just on the north side of the bank. So let's take a quick zoom towards that. You can see some fog there staying in its banks. So that's good news. It's not going to be a problem for any of the commuters here out towards Ashland City. As we go under the bridge, you get a little closer to that fog, and then I'm going to kind of give you a big reveal here in just a second. I do want to show you that we are starting to see some leaves change color. Let's go up real quick, pan to the left a little bit, and look at the hills. Yeah, starting to see a little orange, a little red out there. As far as Middle Tennessee goes, it's going to be mid to late October into early November that we'll see the peak fall foliage here across Middle Tennessee. So we're all looking forward to that. Hopefully these cooler temperatures stick around, Laura.
Yeah, it would be really nice if we could have that fall weather here to stay for the next several days. But unfortunately, I'm talking